Okie dokies! In this video, we'll learn how to embroider blush onto your amigurumi to give it a bit more charm and personality. Start by threading a needle with blush-colored yarn, which will add a subtle rosy tint to your plushie. Insert the needle into the side of the face, just below the eye, and pull through. Then we're just going to loop it around one time. Like so, and I like to go around like 2 or 3 times, just in that exact same stitch, in those exact same stitches, just to make sure it's secure, make sure that it looks good, especially on bigger projects. Make sure that he has enough blush. On the last one, I like to kind of make sure that the needle goes out to the side a little further. I like to take it out here so that it's ready to just cut off. And then using your hook, obviously just make sure that that end is in. And we're going to go back to the front and make sure this end is in as well. Perfect. And now he has a little bit of blush. Repeat on the other side and you'll be all finished.